Welcome to the magical world of science. Today, we're going to explore the amazing world inside our bodies, the human organs. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kaira.
Hi, Miss Ray. I'm so excited to learn about our bodies.
Great, let's start by thinking about where our important organs are. Can you point to where you think your brain, heart, lungs, stomach, and intestines are?
I think my brain is in my head, my heart is here in my chest. My lungs are next to my heart, my stomach is below my chest, and my intestines are in my tummy.
That's right. Each of these organs has a special job. Let's start with the heart. Do you know what it does?
I think it pumps blood, right?
Exactly. The heart is like a pump that pushes blood around your body. When you exercise, your heart beats faster. Have you ever felt your heart beating faster after running or playing?
Yes, I have. It feels like it's thumping really hard.
That's your heart working hard to send more blood to your muscles. Now, let's think like scientists. If you use a stopwatch, you can count how many times your heart beats in a minute. Would you like to try that sometime?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Now, let's talk about your lungs. When you breathe in, your lungs fill with air. Can you guess why we need to breathe?
Is it because we need oxygen?
Spot on. Oxygen from the air goes into your blood through your lungs. When you exercise, your body needs more oxygen, so you breathe faster. How many breaths do you think you take in a minute when you're resting?
Maybe 20?
That's a good guess. You can count your breaths with a stopwatch to see if you're right. Now, let's talk about your stomach and intestines. What do you think they do?
They help us digest food, right?
Exactly. Your stomach and intestines break down food and absorb nutrients to keep you healthy. And finally, your brain. Can you think of a time when you had to use your brain a lot?
When I play puzzles or games, I have to think really hard.
That's a great example. Your brain is always working, even when you're sleeping. Playing games like noughts and crosses can help exercise your brain. Do you think you could make the game more challenging?
Maybe we could play with 3 players, or use a bigger grid.
That's a fantastic idea. Now let's summarize what we've learned today. Can you tell me what each organ does?
Sure, the heart pumps blood, the lungs help us breathe, the stomach and intestines digest food, and the brain helps us think and do everything.
Perfect. Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.